Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind. Introducing ClaudPilot, a powerful AI tool that runs Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most advanced thinking model, on complete autopilot. Set it once and it runs 24/7. No monthly fees, no limitations, no multiple subscriptions, just one tool that does it all. Right after I log in, look at this clean, powerful dashboard. Chat-based interface, and Opus 4.7 is already selected, ready to go. Let me run a quick test. I'll type, "Give me a complete affiliate marketing strategy for promoting an AI software," and hit enter. Boom. Instantly, a properly structured, human-like strategy. Now something more complex. I'll write, "I need a consultancy firm website with SEO optimization." The company name is TS Vision, specializing in civil law. And look at this. Insane. ClaudPilot doesn't just chat. It thinks, reasons, and handles anything. Automation, PDF creation, SEO, code generation, all in one tool. But here's the real power: automation mode. Watch this. A menu pops up with categories: blogs, social posts, emails, captions, ad copies, and more. I'll pick emails. It asks for details. I'll type, "Promote an AI news channel software. Focus on curiosity hooks for content creators." Done. Next, posts per day. I'll pick 5. Then the date range. I just click start and end date, scheduling the next 10 days. Confirm. Last step, time slot. I'll go with 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Hit confirm, and done. Campaign setup complete. The full summary is right here. Everything in one place. Now I can literally go to sleep, hit the beach, watch Netflix. My campaign runs itself in the background. Now let me actually show you what this automation produces. I'll head over to the campaign section. Here's my blog campaign, May 7th to 12th. 15 posts, all completed, 100% done. Let me open one. Business and marketing alignment for sustainable growth. A full, professional, SEO-friendly post. Honestly, I couldn't have written this better myself. One more feature, the code section. Just give it a prompt, and it writes complete working code in any language. For example, create a standard calculator app in Python, and its thinking model produces the full code, ready to run. So think about it. Your entire workflow, blogs, emails, social posts, even code, all running automatically, powered by AI. Set it up once, and it works for you around the clock. The days of manually using AI are over. ClaudPilot isn't just a tool, it's an entire system powered by Claude Opus 4.7. And the best part? One-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. Pay once, use forever.